Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to use the JotForm app, starting with the basics. JotForm is a powerful, no-code, drag-and-drop form builder designed to simplify data collection. To begin, simply create an account using your email, Google, or Microsoft. Once logged in, you will find your dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your forms, tables, and applications. It is designed for ease of use, allowing anyone to get started quickly. Now, let's create your first form. You can start from scratch or choose from thousands of pre-built templates available in the library. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes adding elements like text fields, images, and payment options incredibly simple. You have full control to customize colors, themes, and layouts to match your brand perfectly. You can also add advanced features, such as conditional logic, or integrate with over 100 payment gateways. Once your form is ready, sharing it is straightforward. You can share forms via a direct link, send email invitations to specific recipients, or post them on social media platforms. For quick access, generate a unique QR code that users can scan with their devices. Additionally, you can embed your forms directly onto your website or blog. Remember to adjust privacy settings to control who can access and submit your forms, ensuring your data collection is secure. Finally, let's explore how to manage your collected data. All your form submissions are neatly organized in JotForm tables, serving as your central workspace. You can access these submissions directly from the App Builder, My Apps, or My Tables pages. From here, you can analyze data, generate insightful reports, and download submissions in various formats like PDF or CSV. JotForm also allows users to save incomplete submissions and continue them at a later time, enhancing user experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.